YouTube, this is LA Breeze here, back with another video. Except today I am coming with a makeup video. I know it's been a while. Don't judge me. I know how YouTube like to judge people, but don't be judging me. I know I haven't posted in like 2 years, but that's besides the point anyway. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. So I know y'all gonna be wanting to go out. Now you can't wear this to church. This is not church attire. I mean, I know God says come as you are, but I mean, let's have some limits. So, but otherwise, if you're going out maybe to a friend's house or a house party or out to the club, I'm not going nowhere. But, you know, for people that are going out somewhere, this would be a pretty good look for you to go out and party in. It's a combination of some purple, some pink, some golds. Most of the products used in the video are Juvia's Place, along with Jackie Anastasia, Lord Jackie Anastasia. I didn't combine their names. Jackie Ana's Anastasia palette. Is what I use to achieve majority of this look. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and all that good stuff, and hit the notification button. Alright? Let's get into this video. right, YouTube, you just finished watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I be sitting under these lights. It's kind of hot, but I enjoy doing what I do. So again, I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know what other looks and things that you would like to see on my channel, or other things that you would like to see on my channel. Please go check out my fitness videos. They will get you in shape. They'll raise your heart rate, help you lose some weight, help you tone. A lot of squats. They hurt, but it's okay because you can still do it. Otherwise, I really hope you enjoyed this look. I can't talk. And please just go out and be safe. Don't do anything that I won't do, which I ain't going to tell you what I would do. So just go out, be safe, no drinking, no driving, get an Uber, get a Lyft, get an airplane if you can afford one, whatever it is that you do, but do not get behind the wheel. Please, let's just be safe. Please enjoy your holiday. Love you. Hugs and kisses. And I'm out.